add the link to Credit Repair Cloud. First, you need to do is to log in to Credit Repair Cloud and then go to My Company. After you click My Company, you go to Credit Monitoring Services and click View Other Providers and look for My Free Score Now. Click Edit Sign Up Link. You would see a default link. Please delete it and then copy the link that you have from your welcome email that we sent you. Or you can also find your link in your affiliate portal in the My Links section. So copy it and paste it here and then click on Save. After you have successfully changed the link, go to Client Affiliate Portal and then go to Client Onboarding and Task. So after you click Client Onboarding and Task, look for Order Credit Report and Scores and click the pen sign. After you click the pen sign, a box will appear. You just need to scroll down a little. Look for Report Provider, and from the drop down, make sure you choose My Free Score Now. And then click on Save. You have successfully updated the task. Thank you.